Crochet is an art, and granny squares are the perfect way to start. Let's create something beautiful together. Don't forget to subscribe to Twisted Threads and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Let's start with a slip knot and chain 16. For first row, we are going to use red as well pink yarn, so starting with red 1. Double crochet in second chain from hook and repeat it twice. Now we have 3 double crochet. Change yarn to pink, and in next 3 stitch, place 3 double crochet. Repeat this pattern until you complete 15 double crochet. Row 1 is completed. Now we are moving to row 2. For row 2, we need to change red yarn with white and make same double crochet in each 3 stitches alternately. For row 3, again change white yarn with red and make same double crochet in each 3 stitches alternatively. For row 4, again change red yarn with white and make same double crochet in each 3 stitches alternatively. For last row, we need to change for last time white yarn with red and make same double crochet in each 3 stitches alternatively. We are done with our gingham pattern. Now we are going to focus on border. Join beige yarn at the beginning of final row. Chain 2 this count as double crochet throughout and work double crochet into next 14 stitches. Chain 2 and skip the corner stitch and work 15 double crochet evenly down the side. Repeat same for each side. For final part, let's make single crochet on top of each stitch to give it near look. Once it's done, slip stitch in the last stitch. Voila, your gingham granny square is completed. You can use this for any project like tote bag or cardigan. For more granny square tutorial, like and subscribe Twisted Threads.